How's it going, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and we are back with another shop update, this time on a Tuesday. So we're getting festive here. We're creating the North Pole of the Northwest here in Ilwaco, Washington. So pretty excited for you guys to come visit us here during the holiday season. Before we dive into what's about to take place as we move into the holiday season, we're gonna hit on just a few things. First thing, pretty freaking cool. We are Ilwaco Halloween Spirit Award for the 720 trick-or-treaters that came and saw us. Thank you so much. It was a ton of fun here at Spawn Fly Fish. Handed out a ton of candy. Can't wait for next year. So that takes me to the next topic here. As the phone's ringing in the background, sorry for that. We will be addressing that momentarily. But fishing here in the Pacific Northwest, especially here in Southwest Washington, continues to be electric. So if you are coming out to the coast post Turkey Feast, be sure to bring an 8-weight and get after those salmon. The fisheries are continuing to go strong, and it has been a ton of fun. There will be a lull here after the end of this salmon or coho run, before our steelhead season really kicks off, and that is a perfect time for you to come down and chase cutthroat. We caught a lot of cutthroat during that, like what we call in-between phase last season. All right, now what everybody's curious about, Black Friday. We are right around the corner. As always, we will be participating. We don't run a lot of sales here at Spawn Fly Fish, so this is a big one. So do take advantage of this. Or, like we said last week, shop today. But we'll break it down for you. So, site-wide, we will have 20% off of fly tying, fly lines, fly boxes, and fly tying tools. 20% off of all of those categories. That'll encompass thousands of products on our website. So, be sure to check all of those out. Then, we'll move into 35% off all Spawn semi-seal, Spawn shanks, and Spawn beads. That's a big one. Load up on your articulated flies, load up on our football beads, load up on semi-seal. This is a great opportunity for some of your guys' favorite and Spawn's most popular products that there are. Then we're jumping into Spawn heads. Painted Spawn heads. $1 each for all of our Spawn heads that are painted. And then when we move into our 5-packs, those will be $3. So big opportunity for those that are tying for those big game species, or like that movement and realistic element that those heads create for your smaller profile flies. Well, the next on the agenda, Spawn Sims gear. 40% off. This is nuts. So, really excited about that. We got a huge range now of Spawn Sims merchandise. That will be heavily discounted. We want you guys rocking Sims. We want you rocking Sims with Spawn on it. So, we know there's a lot of you guys that rep that brand, and now you can rep it with Spawn Fly Fish collaboratively. Next thing, best hat deal in the industry. We do this on all of our Black Friday events. $10 Spawn hats. Get them while they're here. We will be offloading a bunch of those this week, and then look forward to the future of creating some new designs. But these are about the luckiest fishing hats that there are on the market. This sale will start Thursday at midnight. So enjoy your Thanksgiving. Don't worry about shopping. Spend it with your friends and family. And we will be spending it together and thinking about how thankful we are as a company to have all your support, and how thankful we are for this community that you guys have built. So thank you first and foremost. We are beyond grateful to have you guys be a part of this. But midnight on Thursday, it'll be automatically switched. The sale will go live. There will be no discount code necessary. You won't need to create a discount code. It'll be automatically applied at checkout, or it'll be discounted on the product page itself. So that'll be really easy. We've had issues with discount codes in the past, or stacking discount codes. Do not do that. It'll be all automated for you. So that really sums it up here. Oh, and then it'll end on Tuesday at midnight. So it'll be a good sale. We'll be really excited for it, and a lot of information that you just processed. Sorry, I fumbled through a bit of it. But then, for those of you that are going to come visit us, the sale extends even further. We'll have many items that won't be on sale on our website, will be discounted here in the store. So come see us. If you're going to come see us in the future and you're planning on getting something, this will be your very best opportunity. We're not going to go into the full details, but it will be worth your while to make the trip to Ilwaco this weekend. So in saying that, we will also extend our hours. So we'll be open Friday normal, and then Saturday 9 to 4 p.m. So we will have a longer day here in the shop Saturday for you guys to come in, do a bunch of shopping, hang out with us. P and I will be in the shop all day. Ken will be here. It's going to be a lot of fun. So with that, come see us. Shop Spawn Fly Fish. Take advantage of these sales. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. Again, so grateful, so thankful for everything you guys continue to build. And we will see you guys next shop update.